Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare Audacity versus Ableton and find out which DAW is better for creators in 2025. If you're producing music, podcasts, and audio content, this guide will help you pick the right tool. Audacity is free, open source, and beginner friendly. It's great for recording, basic editing, and applying effects. It works across Windows, Mac, and Linux, making it accessible for anyone starting out. However, it lacks multi-track mixing, MIDI support, and advanced music production features. Ableton, on the other hand, is a professional DAW built for creators. It offers multi-track recording, MIDI sequencing, built-in instruments, loops, automation, and live performance tools. It's ideal for music producers, DJs, and anyone who wants deep creative control, but it comes at a higher cost. So that's Audacity versus Ableton in 2025. If you want a free, easy to use editor, Audacity is solid. But if you're serious about music production and performance, Ableton is the better choice. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.